Students from across Bakersfield flock into the Boys and Girls Club after school to explore new activities. I'm J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. Recently, the club received a $50,000 grant from the Kiwanis Club to help their students bring their creative aspirations to life. The club prides itself on being that safe haven for children in the community, offering all types of activities to keep them entertained and out of trouble.
This is an opportunity for kids to learn in a variety of ways. So everything from memorizing scripts to learning social cues to learning poise and confidence. There's a lot of memorization going on, and so that strengthens those educational skills as well. And then there's the pursuit of their passion.
The grant will provide an environment and the tools to encourage the children in the community to reach for their dreams in the arts. They will get a chance to perform in front of a live audience and turn their dreams into reality.
And we use Stars Theater because our kids get a real-world experience on a stage with all the lighting and all the things that they deserve because they're working so hard to do this. The funding will actually pay for scholarships. The Kiwanis are actually scholarshiping children who can't afford performing arts, have not participated in performing arts, and so those kids will be scholarshiped in the program.
The Kiwanis Club is a service organization that focuses on helping the youth of the community. They put on fundraisers throughout the year and find organizations like the Boys and Girls Club and donate those funds to further the education of the new generation.
We were very impressed with the program and what it was doing with for the kids of the community. And the Kiwanis clubs support youth and always want to expose them to opportunities to advance in their desires and futures.
After the presentation of the check, organizers gave members of the Kiwanis Club a tour of the facility to see where their money will be invested.
Bakersfield is an amazing place in Kern County when it comes to cultural arts. We have lots of art going on. There are performers in town. There's local theaters, there's museums, there's all kinds of things that represent the artistic community. For us, it's bringing the kids in at a younger age so they can experience theater and figure out if this is a path that they want to participate in.
The grant will support the club's initiatives until 2030, with plans to allocate approximately $10,000 a year for community productions. For 23 ABC, I'm J. Dockery, Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.